Hello and Assalamualaikum to everyone. My name is Ridwan bin Ibrahim and today our group will present about the natural gas vehicle. First of all, the natural gas is created over a million of years when the waste from the plant and animal are exposed to extreme heat and pressure beneath the Earth's surface. And extreme combustion of engine for the natural gas power vehicle release the energy by combusting mostly the methane gas with oxygen to produce the carbon dioxide and water vapor. The methane is the cleanest burning hydrocarbon and many pollutants are already eliminated before it reaches the consumer. The existing gasoline-powered vehicle can also be converted to run the CNG or LNG, and they can be single-fuel or bi-fuel. Diesel engine can also run on a blend of a diesel and natural gas, with natural gas serving as a major fuel, while the small quantity of diesel serving as the ignition sources.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Kamal Hakimi bin Abdul Jalil. For this part I will talk about history and sources for natural gas. Natural gas was found by accident in ancient China as a byproduct of brine drilling. Natural gas was initially marketed in the United Kingdom, and today there are over 900 public gas systems in the United States, with the Philadelphia Gas Works being the largest and longest running. So for the sources, natural gas is a naturally occurring hydrocarbon gas mixture mostly made up of methane with varying proportions of other higher alkanes, as well as a trace amount of carbon dioxide, nitrogen, hydrogen sulfide, and or helium. Because natural gas is colorless, odorless, and explosive, a sulfur odor is commonly used to detect leaks early. Natural gas is formed when layers of decomposing plant and animal materials are exposed to severe heat and pressure under the Earth's surface over millions of years. The chemical bonds in the gas store the energy that the plants receive from the sun. Natural gas is a fossil fuel, which means it is made up of carbon atoms. So that's all for me.
Hello, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Rahman bin Muhammad Ski. I will explain about the separation process that will involved in producing the natural gas. Separation process. After the natural gas components like hydrocarbon can be separated from the volatile oil, ethane may then be separated from the natural gas. A distillation process is used to separate the components of the natural gas. In a distillation, the components may be separated in many different sequences. For example, one distillation sequence would be to remove the most plentiful component first. Another sequence would be to remove the lightest component first. The third distillation sequence will be to separate components by favoring the premolar split. As you can see, the image that was provided is showing a certain amount of degree from the lowest. As you can see, the lower level is the highest boiling point. Continuing to the top, decreasing the boiling point.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Ashakiri bin Mazid and I'm going to tell about the advantages and the disadvantages of the natural gas. First, the advantages of natural gas is abundant and a major source of energy. Next, natural gas can be easily transported. Natural gas also emits carbon dioxide, which help the plant and contain the heat energy from the sun. Next, the natural gas also produce less overall pollution. The disadvantages of the natural gas is that natural gas is explosive and can cause a fire hazard if the pipeline bursts. Next, the maintenance for the natural gas generator are usually high. Natural gas is also a non-renewable energy as it is obtained from the animal and it takes a long time to obtain the natural gas. Natural gas supply can get disrupted during calamities like earthquake.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Ibadat Nur. Okay, we go to the opinion of the technology for the near future. which is the first one is the natural gas production software has allowed this type of company to reduce cost and save money as well. The technology for the natural gas industry has resulted in a few major development has benefit the industry in recent years. Okay, we go to the improvement of technology, which is we have 5. The first one is the artificial intelligence, which is used to communicate and order the task to be complete and be used to operate machinery and device. The second one is Internet of Things, which is network to more convincingly operate the latest technological device. The third one is the electronic monitoring, which is order to ensure the condition are safe and the facilities are managed properly. And the fourth one is the drone, which is with drone company are able to get more comprehensive scan of facilities in a short period of time. And the last one is the big data analytic, which is help company in this industry to get detailed information about the industry trends, cost, profits, and the inventory supplies. Okay, that's all.
For the conclusion, natural gas is a fossil fuel that was discovered deep beneath the Earth's surface. It is currently frequently utilized to cook and generate electricity as a non-renewable energy source. It is also used as a chemical feedstock to make polymers, motor gasoline, and other commercially important organic chemicals. Natural gas has the following advantages. It is abundant, it can easily transported, and it also emits carbon dioxide. The disadvantage of the natural gas is that despite its abundance, it is a non-renewable energy source that takes million years to generate.